Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is September the 23rd and I'm using my brand new Mega Scalper trading system. And just to let you know, I just got back from a 1-week vacation and everything is back to normal as far as YouTube and the videos. Now this Mega Scalper trading system uses Heikin-Ashi candles on the top along with these arrows. They're called the super signal indicator. And every morning 6 o'clock, right where this vertical line is, I'm in front of the computer trading the continuation of the London session, that's this blue box, going into the New York session. Of course, I'm going through all the different instruments you see down here at the bottom, and of course looking at my daily trade plan, and once I make a decision, I want to be buying or selling, I'll manually put in this white arrow. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It does drill down the lights from the monthly to the 30 minutes. Does a bunch of calculations. And in the comments here you'll either see look for bearish, look for bullish, and sometimes they're even preferred. And from time to time you'll see not enough strength. So you just wait until it will either turn blue or red. Now if you're trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are still struggling. Now if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. Hey, let's take a look at these trades I've taken. Took all the trades just after, well, between 7 and 7:30. It looks like I closed them all out at the same time almost, 10:03, 10:04. Here we go on this first one, the Euro Aussie. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So it did qualify for a great way to trade just by looking and reading the charts. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Plenty of things telling me it's going to go down. Now it doesn't mean it's going to go hundreds of pips. You'll find that the Forex moves, but if you want something that's going to move a lot more, well, you'll have to do the futures and the indexes, as they move a lot more and pay a lot more. So on this first trade, made a move, and of course rested a bit. Then it did another cycle. This is what I wanted to grab. It's only 16 pips and that paid out $116. Remember, you will need 5 things to succeed at trading, and if you look right below the video, you'll see those 5 things, and one of them will be you'll need support, and without support you're still going to struggle. And that's one thing I give after you buy from me. I am here to answer your questions, give you support. And it's very important that whoever you buy anything from, you should make sure you can pick up the phone or Skype or some way to get in touch with the person who's selling it and trading, using it. They're the best ones to help you to learn how to trade the markets. Keep in mind, trading the markets is very difficult, and you will need a certain amount of education by the time you find success. I can give you some more information if you like. Just get in contact with me. Next trade I did, the Euro CAD, another one I sold. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. So followed the rules, took the trade, went a little bit sideways, but finally moved in my favor. Closed it out here, looks like with 19 pips, and that paid out $147. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is pound dollar. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I wanted to be buying it. Everything in this general area is telling me it's going to go up, so I bought it at this point, and I closed it out here, just being happy. And remember, all I'm aiming for is 200 or more pips and or ticks every day that I am trading. Now the pound dollar pays $10 for each pip. And looking at the money, easy to see this should be 21, and there it is right there, 21 pips, paying out $210. Moving on to the next trade, which is the dollar CAD. This one I sold it, arrow from the daily trade plan, plenty of things, and you can tell just by looking at the charts it's going down. Took the trade at this cursor, closed it out here. At this point I was happy, looks like with 30. And those 30 pips paid out $221. Okay, moving right along to the next trade. Now we're getting into the futures, the indexes. As I mentioned earlier, they will move more and pay more. So on this crude oil, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. And there's a lot more volatility, a lot more movement, and you got to be aware of that. So at this point I bought it knowing that it can do a cycle. That's the way the market moves. It goes up and down and up and down. So best thing you can do is try to catch the cycles. And didn't bother me about these kind of cycles. I knew it was going to go up according to looking at the charts and the daily trade plan. So I took the trade at this point. Now crude oil pays $30 for each tick. They're called ticks. So looking at the money, this should be 30. There it is right there, 30 ticks. And I was happy with that, since that paid out $300. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is gold. Gold pays $10 for each tick. So looking at the money, easy to see this should be 53. So everything was perfect. Charts, everything, candles. So I took the trade at this point, and I'm looking for 53. There it is right there, 53 ticks, paying out $530. Okay, moving on to the next trade. Right here is the DAX 30. Now I dropped it down to the 5 minutes because it's hard to get a reading on it. DAX 30 does pay $3.75 for each tick, so I took the money, divided it by 3.75. Calculator says it should be 260, so let's drag and drop this up. So I bought it. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, blue arrows. Went a bit of a pullback up, pullback up. As I mentioned, the market moves in cycles. So I took the trade at this cursor, and I'm looking for 260. That's as close as I'm going to be able to show, but it is 260. And all of those ticks paid out $975. Have a couple extra minutes, and I wanted to show you another tool that you should have. I call it the FibMaster tool. And it works with any and all trading systems. You would just click on this little tab right here, and you would go from swing low to swing high. That's a high, that's a low. There's your pullback. It almost hit entry 2, but if it hits any of the entries and then starts to cycle up, it'll usually make it to 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's exactly what it did today. It's a great tool to have, as it really forces you to look at the charts more closely and wait for pullbacks. That's why I highly recommend it. And the reason why it works so great is that millions of traders all over the world are using Fibonacci. Now it does have 10 different targets. As you can see, there it is, all the way up to target 10. And of course, if you have any questions regarding this FibMaster tool, well, just get in contact with me. And of course, there's more information right below this video. So another great day of trading using my Mega Scalper. I knew I was going to get minimum at least 200 pips and or ticks. The grand total came to 429, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,501. So remember, when you buy from me, I do give support. Without support, you will more than likely still struggle to succeed at trading. And of course, after you buy from me, I'll tell you more very important secrets to successfully trading the markets in a free Skype call. Now, if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. And of course, to do that, all you got to do is look right below this video in the description. You'll see a banner and the word more. Just click on that. Another window opens up and it'll show you my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly, and I usually answer the phone unless I'm busy, of course. And of course, if you can't call me directly, well, just send me an email. Now I really do prefer Skype. I made a link, simple and easy for you. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have a Skype connection, and at that point I can answer, some of your questions. So now you know how to get in contact with me. Also in the description, you'll see 4 different packages. I do charge $250 for each package. Recommend you getting as much education as what you can, because by the time you find success, you're going to need a fair amount of education. Now, I do have a special offer that if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you one of the other 2 packages for free. So, looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.